How to make Google your default search engine. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So today we're gonna make Google the default search engine in two browsers, Google Chrome and Safari. It's very easy in both browsers. So let's start with Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, all you're gonna do is going to the upper right and click on the three dots for the menu, and then go to settings. You can also go to it by command plus comma. Let's go for it. And then go to search engine from the left, and then you can choose the search engine from here. You can choose between Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, and Google. Now we need Google, so we're gonna click on Google. Now the search engine is Google. So in Safari, we're gonna do similar thing. Let's go to Safari and go to the up to the settings. From Safari, click on Safari and click on preferences. Also, you can go to it by command plus comma, just like Google Chrome, and then go to this and click on search in the upper bar. And you can also choose from several search engines, but for now we need Google. Click on Google. Now the default search engine is Google in both Safari and Google Chrome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.